Speak up, mastering the phrasal verb. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on phrasal verbs. Today, we are focusing on one very commonly used phrase with up, speak up. This versatile phrasal verb has multiple uses, and we're going to explore them together in this video. Speak up is a phrasal verb that primarily means to speak louder. It is often used when the speaker is unable to hear what someone else is saying. For example, if someone is speaking too softly, you might say, "Could you please speak up? I can't hear you." However, speak up has a second meaning that is just as important. It can also mean to voice one's opinion, especially when it's about something important or controversial. For instance, I decided to speak up about the unfair treatment at work. Let's look at how we can use speak up in different contexts. 1. As a request to speak louder. 2. I'm having a hard time hearing you. Can you speak up? 3. Encouraging someone to voice their opinion. 4. If you disagree with the plan, you should speak up. 5. Talking about yourself, expressing your opinion. 6. It was hard, but I knew I had to speak up about the issue. Now, it's your turn. Let's practice using speak up in different contexts. 1. Try to form a sentence where speak up is used to ask someone to speak louder. 2. Now, make a sentence where you are encouraging someone to express their opinion by using speak up. 3. Finally, create a sentence where you are telling a story about a time when you had to speak up. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering phrasal verbs. That's it for today's lesson on the phrasal verb, speak up. By now, you should be comfortable with its two main uses and able to use it in various contexts. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to speak up in the comments if you have any questions or thoughts to share. Happy learning, and we'll see you in our next video.